Not just one, but two Heaven Panties. Welcome back, you guys. Saving Mamacita. We are back with a brand new video and some brand new panties. I love panty subscription services, and you guys know that shopping for underwear and panties in public isn't exactly a comfortable thing for everybody. And so when you have a panty subscription service, you order online and they come right to your door, like, ding dong, panties here. I love that. I freaking love that. And so one of the subscription services that I've been receiving on the regular is Heaven freaking Panty. Okay, they're called Heaven Panty, but when I love something so much, I gotta add the word freaking into it because it just adds that oomph to it, you know, that oomph. So Heaven freaking Panty. Let's unbag it now, you guys. I have two. Because I've been a little bit behind on my unboxings, I do have two Heaven Panties that I need to unbag. So we're gonna do it all in one shot today.
A few moments later.
As you can see, they come in the same little cloud envelopes. And I have to say, I did some checking on their website again, and they did have a change in their subscription services. So that is something to note. If you guys have seen my other Heaven Panties unboxings, you can check them out right up there, but you will see that their prices have changed. In fact, their subscription packages have actually changed. Free shipping, you're billed once every 6 months, subscribe and you're gonna save 35%. If you look at the 4 panty option, you're looking at $19.99 a month for 4 pair of panties, free shipping. So when you go on their website, you guys, you will see that what you can do is personalize your whole panty subscription service. So you decide what kind of panties you want. They have different ones for exercising, moms to be, everyday, special nights, if you want to get a little saucy.
Later.
Let's go ahead and open up bag number 1. So opening it up, inside, we've got 2 pair, and they come in separate envelopes with the same little fun design on them. And then the see-through, you can see what color the panties are. So we've got this one and we've got this one. So for this one, it looks black to me, but I've been wrong because I thought that I've had black before and it ended up being like a navy blue color. So opening this one up, yay for panties, new panties. So excited. Gotta love new panties. Fill that drawer up. And that is so fun too, because getting these monthly, you're definitely filling up that panty drawer, giving more options. See, I thought they were black and they are in fact blue. Look at that. Match my sweater perfectly. So they come on a little cardboard with the plastic little hooky thingamabobbers to attach them to. Easy to take off. So they don't come all wrinkled either because they're on that cardboard. So here they are. Look at these. These are lacy. I really like those. And of course, they've got the little bow on the front with a little, looks like a little jewel of sorts on the bow. I've kind of gotten used to them on the Heaven Panties. It seems like every pair has a little bow on them. And I don't know if that's just kind of their trademark thing or what, but I have not seen a pair without a bow on them. But some of them, it's hard to even see the bow. So a blue pair, look at the back. I like how the lace is like on the hips a little bit more, and it just has like the satin feel on in between the booty crack and the front. See that? So I believe I got a size extra large. That is one thing you really want to check when you go on their website is the sizing chart, because it's not what you think your size is. And I believe your first time you get your first Heaven Panty order, they do send you like a tape measure, so you can actually verify your measurements with the actual size chart so you can make sure that you're getting the right size. For me, I'm usually like an 8 to 10 size, which is a medium in USA sizes. And this is actually an extra large in their size. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you check and make sure that you have the right size. Okay, next one here, it looks brown, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. Okay, so let's look inside here. And I am wrong. It's more of like a pink color or a rose color. And again, it is very similar to the blue style that I got. It has the lace. It has the little bow on the front. It doesn't have the little jewel, but you can see the lace detail around the waist and along the hip area. And then on the back, it does have the satin type feel on the booty crack, and then in the front as well. So the blue has a little bit more lace on it, but this one is definitely a pink and not a brown. Stretchy elastic waistbands. They're a little bit higher cut, so they're not like really hugging your thighs, because I hate tight panties around the legs. Let's go on to the second bag. Another bag. I'm so excited. 4 new panties to add to my collection. Okay, I ripped that pretty good. Okay, so these ones. Oh, this one looks purple. Look at that. That girl looks really super happy in her panties, isn't she? She's like, hallelujah, hallelujah. In her purple panties. She's excited. And then this one is, oh, it kind of moved away. That is like a brown again. Okay, maybe it's not purple. Let me look here. It looks like it shifted. Give me a hot minute here. So on the back, it says it's a denim blue lacy hipster. Ooh. Okay, so while most of you might be a little disappointed with getting another blue pair of panties, I, in fact, love it. You guys know blue is my favorite color. This is very lacy. Look at the detail on that. And I love like the crisscrossy look in the front. Look at that. I see you. These are completely lace, you guys. So freaking pretty. And I must say that I've had Heaven panties for a while now, and I have to say that they do wash up very well. I haven't had any pair rip on me. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I do not always use those little lingerie little bags that you're supposed to put them in to kind of protect them from the washer. I don't always do that. So they haven't ripped on me yet, which is super awesome. Okay, so this is an extra large. It says it's light purple. I guess it looks more pink to me. So this is the second pair. This is very lacy, but look at the back. Girl! That thong, the thong, thong, thong. This is very cute. Usually I'm not a big fan of thongs, but every once in a while I do like to wear them, especially if I'm wearing like a certain pair of pants or a certain skirt or something like that to kind of give the no line look, if you know what I mean. So yeah, these are cute, really cute. Okay, so that is it. That is the conclusion of the unbagging of the panties. We are gonna go ahead and give them a rating. Are you guys ready to rate that box? Let's do it. Let's rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that quick review, I got my 2 bags of Heaven Panties. I've got the purple pair, what they say, that looks more pink to me. We've got the blue pair, the very lacy blue pair. We've got the other purple pair, pink, mauve, whatever you want to call it, pair, lacy. And then the blue, dark blue navy pair. Those are pretty. All right, so 2 blues, 2 pinks. If you guys are looking for variety, this one didn't give it to you, but I'm gonna say I personally like these colors. Like, blue's my jam. This pink lavender is perfect for fall. I am a fan of the quality, as I mentioned. It's still the same durable quality. It's comfortable, they wash up well. They kind of threw me for a loop there on the price. I didn't realize that they changed their subscription service options. It's $10.99 for 2 pairs and $19.99 for 4 pairs, which still is very fair because they are giving you the free shipping as well. So when you look at it, you're getting panties at your door, free shipping, bam. Can you get any better than that? So let's go ahead and rate this box. Drum roll, please. Heaven Panty, we're back at you with another rating. Are you guys ready?